Revised balance on the cash book. XYZ Co. uses a computer package to maintain its accounting records. A printout of its cash book for the month of May 20X5 was extracted on 31 May and is summarized below. Balance B over D, $137. Receipts, $1,573. Total, $1,710. Payments, $1,492. Balance C over D, $218. Total, $1,710. The company's chief accountant provides you with the following information. A. Bank charges of $315 shown on the bank statement have not been entered in the company's cash book. B. 3 standing orders entered on the bank statement have not been recorded in the company's cash book. A subscription for trade journals of $26, an insurance premium of $180, and a business rate payment of $1,086. C. A check drawn by XYZ Co. for $347 and presented to the bank on 26 May has been incorrectly entered in the cash book as $468. After correcting the errors above, what is the revised balance on the cash book? Cash book 20X5, 31 May, balance B over D, $218. Error, $468 minus $347, $121. Balance C over D, $1,268. Total, $1,607. 20X5, 31 May. Bank charges, $315. Trade journals, $26. Insurance, $180. Business rates, $1,086. Total, $1,607. Credit balance, $1,268.